afternoon, my fellow Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuous support. Today, we are doing a completion and unboxing and an unbagging. Okay? Hope everybody is having a wonderful weekend. Today is Saturday, December the 10th. It is cold and cloudy here in Oklahoma. We got a lot of rain last night. Didn't get any rain today, but it has been cloudy all day and windy. So went out this afternoon. Well, this morning went to the gym. Then mid-afternoon, I went to see my grandson play basketball. He is 7. And then I came home and I was going to do some diamond art. And guys, I sat down and fell asleep. So I took a nap. I have not taken a nap forever. So I guess my body was saying I needed to slow down for a little bit. So anyway. All right, so we're going to get right to it. This is for hashtag Forest Friends 22 Diamond Grandma's event for December, and I finished this today. This I started December the 2nd, and like I said, I finished it today. It is a 40 by 40, 21 colors, round. It looks a lot better in the camera, but I enjoyed doing it. I really did. It was really great. And look at that shine on it. And I have not sealed it. And I doubt that I will. I plan on getting one of those portfolio books. And so I will do it. I will put it in that. Okay, so if you are interested in joining Diamond Grandma's event, it started December 1st, and I think it'll go to the end of December. She is co-hosting with Becky's Diamonds Blings. So the only real rule that you have to have is that you have to be belong to both of their YouTube channels. So Diamond Grandma's video and YouTube channel, and also Becky's Diamond Bling. But it turned out really good. I think it did. I think it did. So, all right, guys. So we're gonna open up my first. So I got this. Now this is from Lazy River Wood Turning. So how was everybody else's weekend? We are having our department's Christmas party tonight. So I'm going to go to that. Uh-oh, almost got it. There's this. Let's see. I think that's. Oh, wait. Nope. Nope. Oh. There is a sticker. Let me move hands. It says problem solved. That's cool. So I will definitely be putting that on my table. Oh, another sticker. A pineapple. I think this is a pineapple. I absolutely love stickers. Okay. So this is drill scoops. So what I did is I got 4. So if you got more, I think 3 or more, but you get a free one, and then it went up from there. And I believe, if I am not mistaken, it's $3.50 for a bag. So, oh, I love these. I love these little bags. All right. So let's pour all this out. Oh my God. I got an adult thing. I'm not going to show that, but it's an adult appendage. That's all I'm saying. Oh my God, that is too funny. Okay. So I got, these are square. Oh my God. I think I'm even blushing, which is an amazing trick. Okay. All right. So I guess they pick out what you get, and so it's kind of like a little surprise. So that's really cool. So these are dark amethyst neons. Oh, I'm excited about these. And these are round. And here is 209 crystals. And like I said, these are square crystals, which is really cool. And this is 3328. Let me pull that back. So here are, oh, here's kind of like a emerald green. And I think this is 839. So these are the squares. I think that's it. So I think I've got 4 squares and the rest are rounds. Here's 3 tens. Oh, and there's squares as well. Oh, wait, I have more. Apparently counting is not my strong suit. So the other 3 tens. And then 644. 3835. And then this is called mixed colors. Oh, dark pink AB. Let me open these. So, guys, I got these Diamond Art Nicole trays. I absolutely love them. They are fabulous. And they're very sturdy. I love it. All right. Let me open these. Okay, so this is the dark pink AB, and then I have an orange AB. I've never seen, I don't think I've ever seen an orange AB. That's cool. All right, let me see if I can get these back in here without, I don't think that I can. We're going to try it. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now this is an orange AB. Oh. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, wow. Look how it shines. Cool. I love it. Okay. So I've got 2 dark pink ABs. This is 3716 and 704. It's the kind of like emerald green, I guess. And this is kind of like almost like a a mixture like a dark green, light, something 3816. All right, make sure that I have these. All right. So this is from Lazy River Wood Turning. So this is really cool. All right, so let me move these over. I can't wait to use, especially the neon. I'm definitely wanting to use that. And I love my little baggie. All right, guys. So, I believe the first person that I saw do an unboxing was actually on Bliss Studios. She did this unboxing from Michaels, and they have, I don't know if it's a new kit that they have, but it's called the Makers. And then Sweet Tea. Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea. If you have not seen either one of these ladies, please go check them out. She did an unboxing as well, and Michael's had a sale on these Diamond Art kits, and they are originally were $14.99, but there was a 20% off, I think, and it came to $9.99. And so I know from Bliss Studios, or maybe it's the other way around, one of them actually went into Michael's and was able to pick up. They had ordered one online, and they were able to pick up a kit. Well, I went to Michael's, but they did not have these, and so I immediately got online and ordered them. So. Okay. All right. And one actually is a Christmas gift. I don't know if I will get to it by Christmas, but I will get it finished. And then the other one I am doing for Diamond Grandma's event for next year, for May, which is going to be #BarnLife23. And I'll just start with that one then. So it is called Make Market Diamond Art Kit. And okay. All right, so let's get into this. You guys, I think that, I don't know if any of you guys got anything yesterday from Craftably. They had a Santa's helper sale, and so I ordered just the medium one, the $30 one. But I am going to have to put myself in the Diamond Art Anonymous helper, not Helpers Anonymous, but I need help. I need help because I'm ordering way too much. Way too much. All right, so it comes in this plastic bag. This is around a kit. All right. So it comes with wax, a tray, a pen, a squishy, and some baggies. And this is everything you need. If you are new to the diamond art world, this is everything that you need to get started. I would definitely just use the kit that comes with it until you find out if this is going to be an addiction that you want to stay with. because it gets a little cray-cray. Alright, so it comes with directions on how to do it, how to diamond art. And I am not even going to try to say this name here. Okay. So I think that these are the directions in French and then US. Okay. So here are the drills. Here are the drills. All right. So I love that. Okay. And there is not, well, I will look to see. I don't think that there are DMC numbers on these. And these are 2 bags of 13. And this is 12 and 11, 10. Oh, pretty red. I would think there would be more red. Excuse me. There's white. So 3 bags. No, 4 bags. 4 bags of white. Pretty blue. And 3 bags. This is white, but it has like a little smidge of blue tinge to it. So, all right, the drills look good. All right, and this is poured glue, so I can roll it back on itself, and that's what I'm going to do. This is 25 colors. Okay. It looks really good in the camera. It looks a little pale. I don't know if that's, I don't know, maybe I'm just being a wackadoodle. Right here. It's got the scallop edges. The canvas is a little stiff, not bad, but it's really pretty. So I will do this for, as I said, for Barn Life, hashtag Barn Life 23, and she will, Diamond Grandma will be co-hosting. Well, I mean, she's doing this, but her co-host for May. Let me find my, I have my notes. Is Miss Crafty Girl 42. So Diamond Grandma has a event every month in the year 2023, and she has a co-host with her for every month as well. So again, you have to belong to both of their channels to be entered in the event to win a prize. Okay. So fairly decent stick. So I'm going to kind of see if I can flatten this out just a little bit more. So you've got a little bit of, well, not a whole bunch, but you do have some color blocking, and you do have confetti. I'm actually really looking forward to working on this. This is all our symbols. I don't see any alphabet. Well, that's not true. 10 is an alphabet. Number 15 is a lowercase n. And that's it. The rest are alphabet. I'm going to show you up close. It's very clear. Very, very, very clear. So down here you have you have the number, the serial number, Red Barn, and then Grange Rogue. Right there. You have a legend on both sides. One down here and then one up here. Oh, and this does not have the size. So it is a 16-inch by 20-inch or a 40.6 centimeter by 50.8 centimeter. So this is a pretty decent size. A pretty decent size. Okay. All right. I'm looking forward to May now. All right, so let's see if I can put these back. Uh-oh. It got caught. Not bad. So I will be cutting this up. I plan on doing at the end of this month, I plan on doing a video where I'm going to show you everything. Try to see if I can get as many kits together that I'm doing for the event, so you can see what I'll be working on for 2023. And I will definitely get this kit out. All right, so let me move this over. All right, and so then the next one is struggle bus. The same 16 inches by 20 inches or 40.6 by 50.8. This is 30 colors, and this is the Nutcracker. So I have a friend that I work with that likes nutcrackers, and so I wish I'd have found this at the beginning of December, but we'll get it done so that she will get it. Okay. And I believe that this is a round. Yes, it's a round as well. All right, so let me open this. Try to keep this. Yeah. All right, guys. So again, a boat, wax. Let me get the wax out. A scrunchie and a pen. Here are our drills. instructions in English and again in French. Again for glue. And I'm going to roll this back. And this is the nutcracker. Oh, how neat. I will be getting this up probably tomorrow, because I like to start it. I have got so many kits that I am trying to work on. I've got one that I wasn't going to try to do. Is again another Christmas present that I kind of waited to the last minute to do, but I'm going to work on that. And then if you have been watching my channel, you know that I'm working on a massive one that I got from Craftably, and that I'm trying very hard to get that done by my birthday in March. So I kind of put it aside to work on Forest Friends. And so I really am wanting to really try to put as much of a dent as I can. But it's so big, you can hardly, putting a dent in it at this stage is really hard. But I'm going to try to work on it a lot today and tomorrow, and then get back on the Christmas gift so that I can get that finished by the end of the month. And so I don't think that I'll get this done by the end of December, but I will try my best. So she may be getting it in January, but she will definitely be getting it. So that's really neat. That's really, really neat. And like I said, this is 30 colors. And again, it's basically symbols. You have a lowercase a and a lowercase n legend on both sides, one at the bottom and then one at the top. It's really nice and clear. The drill field is nice and clear. A good stick on it. Good stick. So this is basically kind of set up like the Barn Life. There's going to be quite a bit of color blocking, and then confetti in the kind of like in the middle, but like in the hat, obviously there's a lot of color blocking. Down in the boots looks like there is a little confetti, but it's really a lot of color blocking. So like the drum here is color blocking. So okay, I need a bigger table. A bigger table. I need a bigger area, or is what I really truly do. All right, so here are the drills, and this is, again, I said it's round. So on the canvas is the serial number, and the serial number is here on the bag. So if you are one of those that like to store your drills separate, this would be, you have the numbers here. And this is the Nutcracker. Oh, and so this must be the name. So, and it is, I believe this is French, so I'm not even going to try to say the name. So it's Nutcracker, there's the serial number, and then case, and that's as far as I'm going. All right. am taking this. Is probably, this is black, so this is probably going to be the hat. And probably some in the boots. And there's 2 bags. Number 1. Here's 2. Kind of like a smoky gray. A lighter gray. This is green. It's like almost a forest green. So here's red, which is really weird because with the barn life, I thought there would be more red, but there wasn't. But anyway, we'll find out when I work it up. Yeah. Okay. A sand brown. Like a dark, like a hunter green maybe. And another, I feel like another shades of red. This is a 14, and then this was 2 bags for 15. Alright. Ohio. And there's 2 bags of this. This looks kind of like almost like a plum, maybe, or red, like a red rock color. I guess plum would be more purple, huh? Oh, I like that one. Well, it looks orange to me, but it's really weird because it looks yellow in my camera, but it's not yellow. Fascinating. Okay. And then one little bag of white. All right. Well, you guys, that is my completion, my haul. I will. Where's my bag? Or I'll be sad. All right. So I will be kitting this up. It's probably tomorrow. And as soon as I finish with my other friend's Christmas gift, I will start on this and try to get it done. And I will be doing a completion on it. And I hope you guys are having a lovely, lovely Saturday weekend. Do you have all your Christmas shopping done? I have like just a few little odds and ends, more stocking stuffers than anything. And then I am through. My family, we will be having our Christmas on the 17th because my son's birthday is the 19th. So we do, in order so that he can spend the holidays with everybody, we always do our Christmas around his birthday. So it's birthday / Christmas dinner and exchange gifts. And then after that, my Christmas will be finished. So hopefully we'll be able to get some more work in. I am on call Christmas Eve, so I'm sure I will be working. But then Christmas Day I'm off, and I don't really have any plans. My daughter and son-in-law, which I've said that live with me, my daughter will cook breakfast, and then my son-in-law will cook Christmas dinner. And so I don't have any other plans to do but eat and diamond paint. So that will be my Christmas. So anyway, I got thank you so much. I got to 309 on subscribers, and I want to thank everybody out there who has subscribed. I want to thank Diamond Grandma for her always shouting me out. I'd like to thank Kim from Kimber's Craft, who did a wonderful job of shouting me out, and people who just stumbled upon my channel. So thank you, everybody who has subscribed. It means the world to me. I know my little channel, my little struggle. I'm constantly on the struggle bus, but thank you for sticking it out with me. I really, really appreciate it. So, if you like what you saw today, if you could hit that like button on the way out, I would appreciate it immensely. If you would like to join my little struggle bus family, if you would hit the subscription button. And also, I don't know why my little bell that tells you every time I upload has a little line through it. I went into to see if I could get someone to help me, and they worked on it, and then I was talking to some other friends about it, and so they looked at, oh my God, words are hard. They looked on their YouTube, on their phone, on my YouTube channel, and it still has the line through it, and I don't know why it's doing that. So I'm still trying to figure that out. If you guys happen to know any suggestions, I would really appreciate it. So, and I don't know if it's on everybody's, but I think it is. So I'm trying to figure that out, but please come back to see me. But that's it. Okay, guys. So, remember to be nice to each other. The holidays are stressful, so just be patient and be kind. Remember to keep cool and to keep diamond painting. And I will see you guys on my next video. All right. Bye, guys.